Hi, I'm Mariana Llanos, author of Benita and the Night Creatures, Benita y las criaturas nocturnas, among other titles. Today we're going to create our own creatures with recycled materials. Cut out a panel from a cereal box and trace a mask. You can find a printable on my website or create your own. Then cut it out. I'm gonna use some egg cartons for the eyes. Glue them to the mask. Cut out a piece for the nose from the egg carton. Now I'm gonna put glue here, and this is gonna be the bridge of the nose, and this is gonna be the nose for my creature. Glue the nose using regular glue or hot glue. Now, what about teeth? I want my creature to look ferocious. You'll see. I cut out triangles on a piece of cardboard like this. Now glue them from the back. I trace these horns on the cardboard. Here's my little guy, all ready for paint. Use a colorful palette and different brushes. Almost done. Now I want to add some tissue strips to resemble a wig. Finally, name your creature. Mine is Nomo, and the sound it makes is Nomo, 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 Nomo. What is your creature's name? And get as creative as you want. And don't forget to check out Benita and the Night Creatures by Mariana Llanos and Cocoretto.